When you open up Logic Pro X, you're going to see this big bar up here at the top. You're going to need that if you want to start any new projects or change any of the settings in Logic. Up here at the top we have your library window, your info window, your help button, which will, if you hover over something, it'll let you know what it is, and your toolbar. This doesn't really do anything, so you don't need to ever really use it. Right here you have your smart controls, which will allow you to change any settings on the instrument itself. Here you have your mixing board, which will allow you to add effects to different channels, and your editor, where you can change the notes in a MIDI track or adjust an audio file. Here you have your rewind and fast forward buttons. Here you have your stop and play buttons right here. This is your record button, which will allow you to record audio and or MIDI channels. Here's where you can select what bar you're on and what beat of that bar. This is your tempo changer, and this is where your key signature is. You don't really need this button right here, but this is your count in if you want to record, and your metronome. This is your overall volume. This is your event tab. This is your notes tab, your loops tab, and your external media tab. Over here in your info tab, you have your channel strip setting right here, and you have your EQ right over here. Right here is where you can select the plugin you're using, and over here is where you can add effects. Right here, this is your bus channel. This is your stereo output. Here's your panning if you want to pan something left or right. And this is the volume of your individual track right here. This is just the individual track. Here's your mute and solo, again for the individual track. And on this other side, here's the master track. Here's the volume of the master track, and then the pan left or right. Just put that right. Yeah. Here you can press this if you want to bounce the project, and this is the mute button. If you want to mute this. That's where you can group. That's your audio effects. Put that right. Yeah. And this is the EQ for the master track.